8 easy ways to cleanse your kidneys. The kidneys are amazing little organs. Each day, they process about 200 quarts of blood, getting rid of excess water and waste products, removing toxins and keeping the body functioning smoothly. If the kidneys are not able to remove toxins and waste from the body, they will build up in the body and hinder the normal function of the kidneys, liver, and other organs, resulting in exhaustion, stomach pain, headaches, water retention, and other problems. The buildup of toxins and waste also may lead to kidney stones, a mass of crystals or unprocessed minerals which can grow to the size of a golf ball. Kidney stones affect 10–15% of American adults, but also may be found in children as young as 5. Kidney stone causes and symptoms. There are many causes of kidney stones, such as dehydration, excessively acidic urine, urinary tract infections, and buildup of waste and toxins in the kidneys. The symptoms of kidney stones include excessive lower back, abdominal, or urinary tract pain, which may be sharp, mild, or excruciating, severe vomiting or feeling nauseated, persistent urge to pass urine, and constant chills or sweating. While the symptoms vary depending on the size of the stones, unceasing pain and discomfort on the sides is a good reason to see a urologist. Kidney stones are easily curable if diagnosed early. Why you should cleanse your kidney. There are several reasons why you should flush out toxins and waste from your body. For instance, cleansing your kidneys improves their function and reduces bloating. Likewise, cleansing your kidney improves your ability to process certain foods, absorb nutrients, and convert food to energy, preventing fatigue. Flushing out waste and toxins prevents potential infection and reduces the risk of bladder problems. Similarly, cleansing the kidneys reduces the chances of having painful kidney stones, corrects hormonal imbalances, and prevents skin breakouts such as acne, eczema, and rashes. Hit that subscribe button to become a cherished member of our community and never miss a beat. Below are 8 easy ways to cleanse your kidneys. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is effective in preventing oxidative stress in the kidneys. It increases the levels of antioxidants in the body, balances blood sugar levels, and reduces blood pressure, creating optimum conditions for kidney health. Apple cider vinegar contains citric acid, which dissolves kidney stones. Frequent intake of apple cider vinegar also flushes out toxins from the kidneys. 2. Kidney beans. Kidney beans not only resemble the kidneys, but also remove waste and toxins from the kidney and flush out kidney stones effectively. Kidney beans are rich in vitamin B, fiber, and several minerals which help to clean the kidney and boost the function of the urinary tract. 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, hence discouraging the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. Daily intake of diluted lemon juice reduces the rate of kidney stone formation and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which is the most common constituent of kidney stones. For people with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures smooth passage of the stones. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a mild diuretic. It hydrates and cleanses the kidneys. It is also rich in lycopene, which improves cardiovascular health and ensures well-functioning kidneys. Watermelon also has large quantities of potassium salts, which regulate the acidity of urine and prevent stone formation. Eating watermelon regularly is great for kidney health. 5. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate contain large amounts of potassium and therefore are effective in removing kidney stones. Potassium lowers the acidity of urine, prevents stone formation because of its astringent properties, curtails the crystallization of minerals, and flushes out toxins and waste from the kidneys. 6. Basil. Basil is an effective diuretic. It removes kidney stones and improves kidney functioning. Basil also lowers the level of uric acid in the blood and improves kidney health. Its ingredients such as essential oils and acetic acid break down kidney stones and allow for smooth removal. Basil is also a painkiller. 7. Dates. When dates are soaked in water for 24 hours and then consumed after the seeds are removed, they are effective in dissolving and flushing out kidney stones. Dates are rich in fiber, helping to reduce the risk of kidney stones. The magnesium ingredient in dates also cleanses the kidneys. 8. Dandelion. Consuming tea made using dried organic dandelion or fresh dandelion root pulled from the ground helps to cleanse the kidneys. Dandelion is a kidney tonic, but also stimulates bile production to improve digestion and minimize the waste reaching the kidneys. Another effective cleansing agent for the kidneys is cranberry juice, which supports the urinary tract, fights urinary tract infections, and removes excess calcium oxalate. Beets and their juices contain betaine, which increases urine acidity, prevents the buildup of struvite and calcium phosphate, and reduces the chances of kidney stone formation. Other effective cleansing agents are coconut water, cucumber juice, and cherries. For more information on preventing and treating kidney problems, visit my channel. Maintaining healthy kidneys is crucial for your overall well-being. By following these easy methods, you can promote kidney cleansing and enjoy better health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.